The language of nature, of evolution, is efficiency and precision. Nature and evolution always seek to minimize energy use and find the path of least resistance.
Maximizing efficiency is a constant throughout the universe. Electricity always takes the path of least resistance, and plants have evolved leaf patterns positioned to maximize exposure to the sun. For the most part, the actions you must take to be successful in digital marketing are not that difficult, but you must be consistent. You must make a plan and follow it. Success is nothing more than a few simple disciplines practiced every day. Just like swinging a sword. Speed, efficiency, accuracy, and precision of execution are the calling cards of global influencers. Digital Samurai's #1 prime directive is always be as efficient as possible. The prime directives are rules that govern everything we do. Click the link below to learn why the prime directives are important and how you could use them in your business. Don't settle. Do work you love. Design your future. Discover the best way to grow your business. Design your future. Monetize your story. Powered by Digital Samurai. Get started now. Scan the code or go to designyourfuture.biz.